Alright, so now in this video I'm gonna show you how I put together this circuit here. So I have this sensor here, temperature and humidity sensor. As you can see, it's being displayed on the screen. Ultimately, it's this Elegoo's version of the Arduino MEGA2560 that is doing everything, and it's being displayed on my laptop. But in any case, you can see we got 21 degrees Celsius, 17% humidity. So I'm going to put the sensor, put my finger on the sensor, and you can see the humidity goes up, and over time the temperature should go up. So 22 degrees Celsius, and humidity keeps going off. So I apparently let off a lot of humidity, it looks like. But in any case, it's really easy to put this together. So let's take a look at what we did. So now, everything I used in this project I got from this kit, other than the laptop, of course. And so we got the USB cable to connect it to the computer, either to power it, but also we need to display what this is reading on the sensor on the screen. So we got the USB cable, the Elegoo MEGA2560, and the sensor here. And this kit comes with a disc that you put in the computer, and so it had the program, the sketch to put on here. We'll look at that coming up, and also instructions on how to do this project. So in any case, the module here has 3 pins, and they tell this in the lesson plan on the disc, but I'm not going to show that. But as you can see, we got 3 wires there, and the green one goes to the left one, the red one, the positive power supply, goes to the middle, and then the black, the negative power supply, goes to the one on the right. So the green wire here is our signal, and that is going to pin number 2, as you can see right there. And we got a male end there, and plug it into 2, and make sure we're in 2, which we are. And then the black one comes to ground there, and then the red one comes to the 5-volt positive power supply. So now we will go to the disk and do English, and this is the PDF file with the lesson plans. So you can open or right click it and then open it. I have Chrome and Edge. Chrome works better for me. It loads the whole PDF file, whereas the Internet Explorer, it only loads what I just scrolled at, so I got to keep loading it. But in any case, we go to the code here, and they got the lesson plans. So the lesson we're going to do is 12 right there. You can see the DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, and so we got the file folder up there. We go there, and then this will open up the sketch, as you can see, or the Arduino software right there, and the sketch is right here. And so we plug in the Arduino board, will come to that, and then we click upload here. Before we can upload though, it is important that the library is included in this, and this is what the library is, simple DHT. And so I was getting an error, and I knew why, but I just tried it out. I was getting an error, and I had to load the library. So how did I do that? I don't use this much, so but we go to include library, so I can't do everything real quick, but go to manage libraries, and then it's the simple DHT. We'll do a search after it settles down. Okay, so simple, and then DHT, and as you can see, we got this here. You click that, the install was over there, and it's grayed out right now. So I already installed it, but all I had to do is click install, and then after it was done, then just upload. So let's plug this into the USB, and it's already uploaded onto it, but it won't hurt to upload it again. There we go. So I have it plugged in, that's why it beeped. Let's click upload, and right now it's uploading. There's information down below there. You can see that green bar kept getting longer, and now it's gone, but it's done uploading, and I got an error message before I added that library, so it's important to add the library. But in any case, here is the code for it, and actually it's plugged in right now, so we can open the serial monitor right there. And the serial monitor there, you can see it is registering the stuff. So 21 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure what that is. It's about 70 in here right now. And I don't know what I just did. Let's try. I think I short-circuited out the Arduino or something. Try resetting it. Serial monitor. Let's try that again. Alright, that worked. And so we got the Arduino board there, and the sensor there again. I put my finger, actually the sensor's on this side, this blue thing. Put my finger on there, and you'll see the humidity rapidly rise and the temperature start rising. But in any case, it's that simple. And so I really like this kit, and I'll show some more projects that I put together. Really, the kit does everything. I connect some wires, and I do some clicking and whatnot. The code here is, I understand a bit of code. This one's a little tougher, and I wouldn't be very good explaining it anyways. But in any case, this is a good way to learn code. They start you off with simpler projects. I did simpler project videos from this kit earlier, and the kit explains it really well. So anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.